Alright, it's party. What's your name? Isaiah. Isaiah joined the party. He was gonna cook up these fish, catch and clean, cook, and we'll get back to you in a second. Oh, manjays. Oh, that's a big one. I'm on underspin. Ooh, this is a good size one. Good size one on underspin. Damn, look at that.
Let it hit bottom. Let it go all
Yeah, that's a good size one.
Yeah, right? It's a white bass.
It's chopped up.
It's right at the where it opens up to the lake. Yeah, right behind the boat ramp over there. Hey,
On the lake.
flip. Gotta flip. Time to flip. Time to flip. I just saw an explosion over there. Should we go over there? Yeah. Look right there, Zay. Dude, that's white bass, right? Hold on. White bass? Yo, what's up? It's a good white bass. See? Told you they'd be busting the surface up there. Yo, that's a good white bass. Damn. Maybe we should just troll then. No. I have plenty of jig heads. It's just, you know, I might need a Kitech though. They fish off that drop off, huh? Damn! Really? Dang, Kenji, we suck. Man, this guy is killing it, but he's already got 3, man. Damn. Alright, I know where it's at. See? You see how there's an island there? You gotta line up between the island and the orange floater buoy that's disappeared now. Wait, behind us. Dude, white bass. White bass again. That's crazy, huh?
all the way over here, though. It's called full bottom. Huh? Let's go all the way down and just crawl the bottom.
I'm crawling the bottom right now. Oh my gosh, are you serious?
Yeah.
Yeah, I must be in the wrong area, okay?
Just over there. Oh, keep on.
Alright. Right there, right? Right there, right? Oh, it's on. I got one. I got finally. Finally. I know. Hold up. Which would you like? I have to boat flip it first. That's a good size one though. Yeah, that's a good white bass. I'm on underspin. Ooh, this is a good size one. Good size one on underspin. Damn, look at that.
Let it hit bottom. Let it go all the way.
Yep. Ooh, that's a largemouth. It jumped, so it's probably a bass. Right? Oh no, it's a hybrid. Hybrid bass. Hybrid bass that jumps. They're all good sizes. All good sizes. Right at the boat? You're under the, we caught him on the boat. What? Damn. Oh, there, I see it. I see it. can just throw it right there very close. They're probably just gonna bite right here. Yeah, here we go. Ooh, this is a good one too. Look at that. Yeah, killing it. Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Everybody's got a fish right now. That's good. Fish fry today. Go back and we're. Oh! Oh, damn. Oh, damn. This boy is getting hot now. It's probably just a small one. No, it's not small, dude. It's just running towards you, that's all. Yeah, it's a good one. It's a good one. Look at that. That's a good one. Heck yeah, that's a good one. Look like a big old hybrid. Almost look like a hybrid. Look at that. Yep, that's a good one. The kin killer. Kinjitsu. That's kinjitsu. Caught on a net. Alright, Ned rig fish. Here, let me see it. Neds catch everything. Dang. There's a little bit of grass on there, but. Oh, manjays. Oh, that's a big one.
Oh, you dropped them out.
Yeah.
Oh, yo.
真笼子。Watch out. Hey guys, what's up?
Man, that's a good size one.
Yeah, right? Here's a lot bass.
They chop that.
It's right at the where it opens up to the lake. Yeah, right behind the boat ramp over there.
This is a medium. Do not little size.
Welcome, dude. Bên đây luôn rồi.
Hey,
Hey, are we going down by where the boat ramp is at? Không, nó vẫn đây chứ.
Nó chỉ tỏ đó.
Yeah.
for đầu cái yêu.
Those were the size that I caught downstream. Long time ago.
Yeah. They were chasing the shot too.
They were. I caught a few basses right there. Largemouth.
I don't remember when we saw largemouth there. We tried, but I didn't catch anything.
I caught 4 already.
Right there?
Yeah, right there.
Man,
The biggest one was like this big.
yeah, that's what we were just, because we had Kenji go with. We were just going to show him how to catch little bass, which you thought. And then we all went back and we found these, and they were probably pretty good. Pretty much. I mean, we just gonna do a catch and cook, so we just gotta do like 2. And the rest of mine, huh? Right?
2 big ones or 2 small ones? Or big and small?
Yeah, probably. No, we'll just keep 4, and he'll just keep the 5.
Okay.
Be easier that way. Make sure. These. Yeah, come on. That's good. I'll just keep those. Party. What's your name? Isaiah. Isaiah joined the party. We're gonna cook up these fish, catch and clean, cook, and we'll get back to you in a second. All right, guys. It don't get much fresher than this, you know. Memorial Day weekend, man. Memorial Day weekend. You like it, Isaiah? Yep, I caught it. Me and my brother. What? The new one is not.
Are you doing scales?
Yep. Doing scales underwater.
Stop.
It's my camera, so I can record it for you to watch later.
What, YouTube?
Yep, for YouTube. Yep, for YouTube later. You want to eat some of this fish later?
Huh?
You want some of this fish too? You don't know?
You don't watch TV. Not checking that.
Oh, your dad watches it all the time. I know. Memorial Day weekend, guys. Memorial Day weekend. We are having a good time on the river. I'm just gonna grill up some fish we just caught. That's how we got them. It's a little graphic for some people, but some people it's legit. Fish don't grow on trees. Hi, Isaiah. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Nice and clean. All done. What is what? That's a fish gut. Let it go. All right. All clean, guys. Isaiah, you be my helper? Yeah. Cook two. And we're just gonna put two away. All right. Okay. Here. Let's go put that away. Yep, just like that. That's how I do my fish, guys. A little oil, a little bit more oil, so the fish don't burn. Yeah, because we got all bagged it in charcoal lamp, so. Salt and black pepper.
It's a rib.
And what? Oh yeah, that looks legit. Lemon pepper. A little bit on this side too.
We'll say you might go.
Might.
Well, he doesn't work, so.
Come on, we both, me and you know the answer to that.
He might come now. He don't want it. Oh, he don't want it.
They get sunburned easily, okay? Alright. Almost got it.
So he won't have to drive along. It depends on them. If they want to go, I'm pretty sure they want to go.
Nice. Okay, let's do number 2. 2 is a little different.
The watermelon off. I don't get that.
Oh yeah, it's good. Nah, don't try it.
They taste like fish, no? Fish pan.
Don't worry, man. You're at the lake. Oh, did you catch this one?
Huh? I did done the first one.
Oh, yeah? Yep. Because you ain't got nothing in your stomach, man.
Lunchtime.
Yeah, it is. A little bit of salt. Oyster sauce. That's good. I think everybody likes sriracha. Okay, you're good. Oh, yeah, there's a lot of onions. I mean, I don't know. Did we flip it yet? No. We probably should flip it then. Cause I don't think everybody's gonna eat it with me.
I'll eat it,
I put a lot of oil in it though, so it shouldn't burn.
I just can't eat any pork.
Why?
Because I ate too much.
Oh, yeah? We can eat this other one.
Can you cook?
Uh-huh.
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
It's there.
Yeah, it's cooking right now. And then we'll eat it later. Alright guys, let's check. Let's check to see if it's good yet. Oh, you shut down. Check it out. Ooh, gotcha. I mean, it's good, but I think we want a little bit drier. It just burns it. Oh, I think I broke it. Let me check the other one too. The other one might be good.
The other one smaller.
Yeah, that might be good. I told you, Mama, give it another 15 minutes, it'll be good. Yeah. Human G. It's got juices though.
Yeah, so juicy.
Yeah. Ooh, a lot of juices. I mean, yes, the chop out no, you don't know, huh? Yeah. But give it a little bit more. A little bit more. No, chop out. You got new shit. Let it sit for a little bit. This guy eat my fish without me. What's my
Your chair.
Oh, you in my chair too?
5 o'clock egg.
Alright, I'm gonna eat some fish.
I don't see any label on it.
Yeah, it's okay. It's a community fish. Let's get something good to eat. What about the big one? Check the big one.
The big one should be good too.
There we go.
Big one, you good.
The big one, I didn't do all the other sauces. I just did salt and pepper. Yeah, might be a little more plain. Regardless, it's fresh, so it's good. Alright, let's try it. Tastes like chicken. Good. Yeah, pretty good. You know?
Chỉ muốn tôi lỏng tới.
맛있어.
Chỉ bảo thế này dừa này muốn tao ấy, muốn tôi lỏng quá.
Really?
Tomato?
You did?
Yeah.
Nếu tôi không.
I have tomato and I have like, I don't think I have mixture.
That's too late.
They have salt, they have black pepper.
Uh-huh.
I brought this sauce.
It's too late. Next time, I remember. You guys like to do papaya.
We're all family across from here to there.
Oh no, Uchi, because I figured the whole lot of Leah was in the cook time, so that was this time.
Chúng ta đang good. Oklahoma. Được.
Flip, gotta flip. Time to flip. Time to flip.
Tôi phải cho họ ăn cổ nó hô. Nó từ dậy xuống.
I think you might need a little salt.
Okay, thì nước sốt gì vậy? Nước sốt hết có gì?
I know, okay, but no, I didn't cook it.
I know, okay. I'm not using salt.
Alright guys, what's up? This is a outro for the video. I know we ate and we didn't do one at the campsite, but this is right before we go home. Boat is loaded back on the trailer, and what we did today was it's kind of an unexpected day. We were kind of coming to catch little bass, but kind of skunked out on that. Ran into really good quality hybrids. No, real white bass, right? Good quality white bass, which we don't always run into, so we're pretty happy about that. We took one of our cousins with us, and he usually doesn't catch much fish too, and he caught 3, I think. Right, 3 or 2. Pretty good size one, so he's pretty stoked, and we gave him half the fish. And yeah, pretty good day. Did a catch and cook, cooked over the fire. We didn't really prepare any ingredients either, so we just did basically salt and pepper, but it was still pretty good. And hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see y'all on the next one. See you guys. See ya.